Alright guys, here we go. The first thing that we want to do is go ahead and install PyCharm Community Edition, Firefox, and Visual Studio. I'll have the link to all three of them in the description box. And for Visual Studios, I have it open right here. During the installation process, what I want you to click is Python Development, MSVC, Windows 10, and Desktop Development with C++. That's what you're going to have to be installing. I'm going to go ahead and exit this out since I already have the application. And the next thing would be setting up your Firefox profile and as well finding the Firefox profile directory. First thing we're going to do is once you get Firefox installed, just go ahead and open up Firefox. To get the Firefox directory, you want to type on the top search bar About Profiles. Once you type About Profiles, you're going to see the Firefox directory here. So this is what you're going to need in the future. Just go ahead and copy that. So the second thing you're going to need to do is log in your Newegg account on this Firefox profile. I have the profile open right now. I'm going to go to Newegg, sign back in. Go ahead and type in your information here. Once you log into your Firefox profile, I want you to click Account Settings and set up your payment options and your address book. This is very important. The next thing I want you to do is go ahead and search for a random item. So in this case, I'm going to search for the 2060 RTX. Go ahead and click Add to Cart on any of them. This one, I just went ahead and clicked this one, Add to Cart. I'll show you why in a second. Alright, so we're going to go View Cart and Checkout. In order for this bot to work correctly, we need to get rid of these messages that pop up in the checkout section. As you can see here, it says, "Thank you for shopping with us during this time, blah blah blah." We're definitely not interested in this, and this is going to mess up the bot. So what we do is click here, do not show this message again, and click I am not interested. Now just go ahead and press back on the Firefox tab. Go forward one more time. And there's going to be a second message here. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Do not show this message again. No thank you. Now that we have done that, those messages will not pop up anymore and the bot will work correctly. Alright guys, this is where the fun starts. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is make a new project. Go ahead and type the name of your project here. I'll name this one my Newegg bot. And go ahead and click Create. Once the virtual environment has been created, go down here to your terminal and type in these commands. The first one is pip install beautiful soup 4. Next one is pip install Selenium. The third one is pip install WebDriver Manager. Last one is pip install Twilio. There we go. Now that we have all our packages installed, just go here to your folder, right click it, select Python file, and you can name this anything you want. I'm going to go ahead and name it Newegg. Click enter. And this is where you're going to go ahead and copy and paste the script into this area. Alright, now that you have copied and pasted the script onto this area, just go ahead and go up. I just want to discuss a few things about the script before we actually run it. Here where it says username, just go ahead and type in your username to Newegg, your password, and your CVV number. For the Twilio configurations, just go ahead and put your phone number here, and as well make sure to put the +1 in front of your phone number, which will look like this. And as well, +1, and then the Twilio phone number that you get on the Twilio website dashboard. When you're on the Twilio website dashboard as well, you're going to see the SSID. You could go ahead and put that token here, and then your authorization token will go inside this string here. Next thing will be the URL. Just go ahead and add the product URL in this area here. For your WebDriver, you're going to have to add your WebDriver profile path in this area here. The last thing we want to see is the final checkout area. So if you're testing this bot first, I highly recommend to go ahead and highlight this area and then press Shift, quotation, quotation, quotation. Press it 3 times. You'll notice that there's 3 quotes over here and 3 quotes at the end. This actually comments out the entire checkout button. So if you're testing out the bot to see if it works, just go ahead and type in the quotations there, so you won't actually go through with purchase. But when you are ready to purchase, just go ahead, remove those quotes and remove those quotes there, and the bot will actually work fully. All right, just to let you guys know that this is an updated script. In the future clip that you're going to see right now, when I test the bot, it's going to be my old script. So just to not confuse you, this is how the new script is going to look. To run the script, go ahead and click Run. Click Run again, and click the file that you created. It will look like that. And that's how fast the actual script will load up. In the next clip, the script actually takes a long time for it to load up. So this is actually a way better version. And you can see that it updates every 5 seconds. As well, on the new script, you'll see this. Do not worry about the red text, this part specifically. That is just WebDriver Manager. I'm not sure why they made the text red, but it looks like an error message, which it's not. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know about that. So let's go ahead and see the live view. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I'd like to thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.